I am but a bird. A cardinal bird forever stuck in my carved skin, to be exact. Before my present self, I was a beautiful oak tree that housed many birds that looked like me. My branches stretched high into the sky, providing shelter and comfort to those who needed it. Now, I am but a statue, a decoration in this garden, my once living form now a carved imitation, forever frozen in time. The birds I once sheltered now flutter past, barely noticing my presence. They sing their songs to the living, while I remain silent and still. And so, I wait. Perhaps one day someone will see me and remember the oak tree I once was. Until then, I endure, a silent reminder of nature's beauty and the fleeting nature of life.